In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install OneDrive on a Windows 11 PC. If you want an easy way to store files in the cloud, sync them across device, and keep important documents backed up, OneDrive is a great option. The installation process is very simple, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 computer and go to the official Microsoft OneDrive download page. It's important to use the official Microsoft website so you know you're downloading the correct and most up-to-date version of the app. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the OneDrive download page for Windows. When you're on that page, look for the button labeled Download OneDrive. This is the option that starts the download for the OneDrive installer. Click on Download OneDrive and your browser should begin downloading the setup file automatically. Depending on your browser settings, the file may appear at the bottom of the browser window in the top right downloads area or inside your computer's downloads folder. If you don't immediately see anything happen, give it a few seconds, since download speed can vary depending on your internet connection. Once the installer has downloaded, you'll be ready to move forward with the installation using the file you just saved. If Windows asks for permission during the process, that's normal. It's simply confirming that you want to allow the app to make changes to your device. A good tip here is to close unnecessary programs before installing any new software, just to help everything run more smoothly. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection, because OneDrive works best when it can connect properly during setup and syncing. After installation, OneDrive is typically used to sync files between your PC and your cloud storage, which makes it especially useful for accessing files from multiple devices or recovering documents if something happens to your computer. If you plan to use it regularly, you may also want to pin it to your taskbar or start menu later for quicker access. And that's all it takes to get started with downloading OneDrive on a Windows 11 PC. Follow these steps carefully and you should be ready to begin the installation without any trouble. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.